You want to say hi? Hi, everyone. This is Alani. She's my star student, aren't you? Okay. So, I have to do a science experiment for class, or science lesson. And I'm going to show you this video, and then we're going to do our little experiment, okay? So, what do you know about pushing and pulling?
Pushing is not good and being good.
Yeah. Speak up a little bit so they can hear you.
Pushing is weird when someone is trying to talk to someone else, and pulling someone where they're trying to talk to someone else too. That's weird too. And you have to wait when someone's done talking to another person.
But what about, okay, when you push someone, are they going away from you or towards you?
Away from you.
Good job. And when you're like pulling, like when you pull in someone for a hug, are they going away or towards you?
Towards you.
Great. Sorry, my YouTube isn't loading. We might have to take a... Hi everyone, me from the future. I just wanted to say the Wi-Fi at the school wasn't working, so I pulled up a video about pushing and pulling on my phone and let her watch that. That's why there's a little jump cut, but I just wanted to explain. I forgot to say in the video that I let her watch a video talking about pushing and pulling. So yeah, enjoy the video. So we're gonna be doing an experiment using this little car, and we're gonna push it and pull it, okay? So what do you know about the car? Or our materials?
That car can go backwards and you push it. The car will go backwards if you push it backwards fast, and if you go forward faster, it can go faster.
That's a good observation. And what about this? What do you think we're going to use this for? We're not going to read it.
I think we're gonna make it go forward and backwards.
Yeah. We could use it kind of like if we do this. You see, it'll exactly what we're going to use it for. Okay, so first, before we do that, what do you think is going to happen when we push the car harder?
Go farther.
Okay. Then if we pushed it lightly? Or you think it will go farther if we push it lightly?
It will go a little far.
But not as much as if we push it harder?
Yeah.
Okay, so before we push, I'm gonna get you to mark. This is your hypothesis, which means your prediction before you're doing an experiment. I know that's a big girl word, and you probably don't know what that means, but in the future you're gonna be using that. Definitely not soon though, so don't worry about that. That's just for the class. So place an X where you think the car will travel the farthest. You think it will travel the farthest when it's lightly pushed or when it's pushed harder? Okay, we'll mark a little X right here. Okay. So, do you want to go to the end of this little desk area? Thank you. And we're not going to push it like crazy hard, right? We can push it a little hard. Let's push it light first. Okay? Oh. Okay, we're going to use this as a marker to see where the first one went, right? Where it was lightly pushed. It went right here. Not that far, right? Right near there. So, okay. Now I want you to push it harder if you want. You can push it like right over here so we don't knock this, right? Because then I will mess us all up. Okay. It went all the way over there. So, which one went further? Hard. Good job. Yes, please. Okay.
Oh, I forgot my pencils over there.
Here's our visual markers. Okay. Okay, now we're going to use this as a ramp. And then we're going to use it high. Or no, this is low. Low, and then high. Okay. So, do you think it will go faster or farther on a low ramp or on a high ramp? High. Okay. Let's try it. I might move somewhere else because it might go off the desk. Let's find a spot. Okay. Remember, I'll hold it for you. So this is our low ramp. You do the car. And push it about the same speed you did for the high one, or the fast one. No, you make it go down. That went pretty far, didn't it? Did you think it would go that far? Oh. Let's mark it. Now, we'll hold it up higher and higher. Okay. Oh. You want to try one more time? It didn't go as far, did it? No, it didn't, because look at this angle, it hit the floor faster. So it kind of spun out, didn't it? Yeah. Oh my gosh. Thank you. Okay. Oh, we forgot to do your before. So you thought it would go farther at the low, or no, the high ramp, right? I'll mark that for you. But I actually went farther on which ramp, the low or high one?
The low.
Okay. You want to mark it right there, an X.
Right here.
Right there. So, why do you think it went faster on the low ramp? I kind of already told you earlier.
It didn't bounce on the floor.
Yeah, because it was at a high angle. It was like, let's see if it's a low angle. It can easily glide off, right? That way. Okay. Sorry, I'm trying to find out what I should do next. Okay, so what were we doing with the car when it was going away from us? What's that called? When you were doing what down the ramp? Begins with a P. You were
Pushing.
Good job. So now we're going to talk about pulling. So if pushing is going away, what do you think pulling is?
Pulling, like pulling a book.
But which way does pulling go?
This,
It goes towards who?
you.
Yes. That's great. So we're going to do kind of a... So if I do this... Sorry. I'm...
Pushing.
Yeah, but towards you, because it's going towards you, it's getting pulled towards you, right? You want to push it towards me, and it's being pulled. Oh. It's being pulled. Oh, good enough towards me. So, were we right at the beginning when we talked about doing the X, it going farther with being pushed harder? Were we right about that? Do you remember? When you pushed it harder, did it go farther or more away towards you than when you pushed it softly?
When I pushed it softly, it went a little far.
Yeah, but when you pushed it hard, it went all the way down here. Okay, so I'm gonna read you this question and I want you to circle the answer. When you are pulling something, it is going away or towards?
Towards.
Okay. Circle that one. When you are pushing something, is it going away or towards you?
Away.
Okay. So we'll circle that one. So our hypothesis for the book one was incorrect, right? Because you said it would go faster on a high ramp. It did faster on a low ramp because of the floor, right? Okay. So you did a good job. You got it mostly right, except the book one, but that you kind of would think the same thing because if you're pushing it hard on the other one, not this one. Okay.